Before we start the valedictory session, I would like to remind you all to keep your mobile phones switched off or in silent mode, and also to remind you about refraining from using flash in your photography. As we wind down on the deliberations of the last few days, we find ourselves gripped by contrasting emotions. On the one hand, we're delighted and in fact rather overwhelmed by the feedback and support that we've received from you all in the last 3.5 days. At the same time, the sense of elation is tinged with just a hint of sadness. For the Congress Committee, this event has been in the making for over 3 years. And in fact, it has been our life for the last year and a quarter. And to be honest, we find ourselves wondering what we will do when we wake up tomorrow morning. But sentiments aside, this is not just a time for us to sit back and soak in the positives from the Congress. It is the time to see how best we can harness this energy and take the Montessori movement forward here in India and elsewhere. We hope this Congress has provided you with the sort of atmosphere that we hoped it would. And we once again wish you all the very best in the new year. Thank you so much. I now make way for the Venerable Zareen Malwa, who has been a Montessori veteran, a trainer. She's the Director of Training at the Mumbai Training Course, and she's been a Montessorian for close to 40 years. Thank you so much.
Mrs. Hilla Patel, a very dear person. To those of us who are Montessori trained, Mrs. Hilla Patel is regarded as a beloved and respected mentor, my mentor too. Hilla Patel joined the training staff of the Maria Montessori Training Organization in London in 1962. She subsequently co-directed the course. She was appointed Director of Training, a position she held until the end of the academic year 1988-1989, and I was privileged to be there then. Mrs. Patel is a member of the panel of AMI examiners. She has been a member of the AMI board, chairperson of the AMI executive committee, a member of the pedagogical committee, member of the sponsoring committee, and trustee of the Foundation Mario Montessori 75 Fund. Please welcome, with great honor, Mrs. Hilla Patel.
Thank you, Zareen, for your kind words. Members of the Congress Committee, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Montessorians, it has been a pleasure and a privilege to listen to all our speakers who have inspired us, given us plenty to think about and to reflect upon. Each of them has drawn our attention to the different facets of the work we can do with the children within our own communities. Our minds have been enlivened and enlightened. We have also enjoyed an extraordinary cultural feast, which has added yet another dimension to the warmth and unity that this Congress has generated, for which we have to thank Leela Sampson and her team at Kalakshetra. Early in my Montessori life, I was privileged to meet a lady who took the very first course which Maria Montessori held in Adyar. She was one of my mentors, and this is how she summed up Dr. Montessori's vision. Every child is born with a mission in life to create an adult adapted to his time, place, and society. This mission is tied up with the destiny of the human race, the progress of man, the values of life, that which deals with peace, with human cooperation, that which brings about human happiness and human fulfillment. I believe that vision is still true today. Montessori's vision is our mission. Maria Montessori called for a reconstruction in education, and she described it as a silent revolution. To quote her words, "It's a patient work to which thousands of people dedicated to this aim must contribute." I believe that is right. I believe the time is right, and now we have the thousands of people who are ready to dedicate themselves to this work. In these challenging and uncertain times, her words regarding the importance and significance of the path of development that each child treads towards adulthood ring true, even more today than when she made another statement which we need to think about. There is no greater investment of our time than helping our nation to invest in the children. And there is no richer resource than children, as they are our future, the future of humanity. So, as we leave this Congress, let us maintain the integrity of our work, never lose sight of our vision, and continue to pursue our mission, our sadhana, in the best possible way that we can. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Patel. Now we have Mr. Govind Venkatesan, member of the Congress Committee, will now present Going Forward, an update on the Indian Montessori Foundation, which we are very happy to have soon.
Further to the stirring presentation, Further to the stirring presentation that was made by Rukmini on the first day, as a part of the inaugural announcing the Indian Montessori Foundation, we just thought it would be a good idea to give you an update in terms of where we are after the initial enrollment drive. And Ruku just reminded me to, I'm sorry? I'm usually accused of being too loud. Okay. Ruku just reminded me that I should unveil the new logo of the Indian Montessori Foundation. And this was created for us by Mr. Vinay Jain, who's a visual artist based in New Delhi. Right, just to give you a quick idea of where we are at the moment. Now, there has been a tremendous amount of support from all of you. I believe that there have been a number of requests and the forms have been disappearing like hotcakes from the AMI booth. And we've had 75 confirmed registrations for AMI membership. And we hope that the numbers will increase because a number of forms have been taken away. And we hope that in the weeks to come, we will start to get them back duly filled. So then we will be able to give you a further update about where we are with the numbers. And in addition to that, we've really delighted that there has been an incredible response to the request for to have more trainers in training, because they are the people who are going to take this forward and maybe take it to other parts of India and hopefully to other parts of the world. So we're really pleased to give you an update on that. Now, for the 75 of you who have signed up, and for the others who are going to be signing up in the coming days, what is it that you can expect from us? As the AMI affiliate to be in India, you can expect to receive two issues of the Communications magazine, which is packed with information, and it runs to, I believe, a couple of hundred pages. And so that comes out twice every year. And in addition to that, AMI sends out e-bulletins very, very regularly, and it averages about 5 bulletins every year. So in addition to that, the Indian Montessori Foundation intends to bring out its own magazine annually, so which will obviously have a more region-centric focus, but we also hope to include updates from overseas. And in addition to that, we will also have 2 electronic updates, which will essentially focus on the various new developments in the region. And so those we expect to bring out in June and December. You will notice that we've pushed it to June so that we don't have to do anything right now. Okay, now the immediate tasks are, we need to have a website going for this organization. And as a part of that, hopefully a registration form, a little simpler compared to the forms that you've filled in as a part of your registration for the Congress. We already have a registered website address, which is www.montessori-india.org, and that is currently being used by an organization called Montessori India AMI Alumni. So that organization is going to be sort of subsumed by the Indian Montessori Foundation, and we will have a new website up and running hopefully in the next, soon. And in addition to that, if we are to bring out something in June, we need to work out on the layouts. We've been busy working with the book and other sort of material. So we have some sort of an idea that these tend to be a little more complicated than we initially imagine. And we would also like to explore other spaces in which the Indian Montessori Foundation can be active, and in terms of promoting AMI, maybe publishing, maybe providing some sort of resource centers, whatever it may be. So much deliberation will need to go into it before we have a very, very clear list of offerings that we can have. And then the other thing is we've heard from quite a few of you that this is probably the first Montessori Congress where you have had the opportunity to listen to views from non-Montessori voices in terms of people from other educational frameworks. So that was an intentional decision because that would be a good way for the Montessorians to sort of be exposed to other ways of thinking, because similar to how we have other educational voices, every single country, I'm sure, has its own indigenous methods or thinkers, educationists and so forth, whose thoughts can be very, very relevant to our Montessori way of thinking. So we hope to continue that dialogue, which has been entered into as a part of Sadhana, this Congress. And so that's about the immediate set of tasks. So going forward, we expect to be very busy. Thank you all so much for your support. We wish for your continued support in the future. And if you do wish to write to us, this is an already active email address. Please do write in, and we would be delighted to hear from you. Thank you so very much.
We have had spent 3 very enjoyable, thought-provoking, and I hope fruitful days together. Sadly, this time has come to an end, which we are really sad about. So I hope you have enjoyed it. I now invite André Robert-Fruat, President of the Association Montessori Internationale, to bring this 26th International Montessori Congress to a close. Please welcome André Robert-Fruat.
Sad. I feel energized. and I think we all do. And I have a pleasant role to play now, to start with, by expressing some very special gratitude on behalf of AMI, but on behalf of all of you, I'm sure. And my first message of gratitude is going to all the volunteers who are sitting there, who've made, please raise, come on. We will all certainly remember how friendly, professional, and efficient they have been all along. Thank you. I will not repeat the names of the Congress Committee people. They know how much we appreciate their efforts, and every one of you has had the opportunity to thank them, collectively and individually. But I have a very, very pleasant duty to do. There is a very special person that had made this Congress the extraordinary meeting that it has been. That person is exceptional. We've been extraordinarily fortunate to live 3 days next to her. Lila Sampson, please join me. And as an expression of our gratitude for AMI, we have got together the few members of the leadership of AMI here, and we have decided that Lila Sampson's contribution needed a very special recognition. So we have decided, in recognition of your outstanding contribution to furthering AMI Montessori education, you are hereby awarded a life membership of the Association Montessori International. And the letter says that we look forward to many more years in which together we will support the natural development of the human being from birth to maturity, enabling children to become the transforming elements of society, leading to a harmonious and peaceful world. You will be very helpful for that. Thank you. Now, if you allow me 3 minutes to sum up the 3 days. I think it will take us many days to sort of understand what has happened to all of us here. I think it has been a short but far-reaching journey inside ourselves, all of us. A quest for the truthful child somewhere. I think somehow, together, we are coming closer to that. A sense that we are becoming truly a community linked by our common perception of the child, of the role of the child for the future, and of our responsibility towards the child. We must nurture this sense of being together for a cause, for a reason. A lot of contacts have been established during these 3 days with us and among you. I think in India, clearly, the Montessori movement will be vibrant and far-reaching for the years to come. But all over the world, it is reassuring to see the number of countries that were present here. a large number, I don't know how many, but a large number, many of them contacting us for the first time and discovering by listening to the proceedings that, yeah, we are serving the same child. This is our goal. And I want to end with only one quotation of the whole proceedings. And that's one that I picked up this morning from a young man that was introduced to us by David Kahn, a young man somewhere in Mexico, the young Geronimo. You remember him on the screen. He said one thing that, for me, is the message that we need to carry on with us after this meeting, re-energized by what we have been living. It is not enough. It is not enough. Yes, we have created the condition of a movement. No, we have to do it. The children are there waiting for us. We cannot let them go down. So let us agree with Geronimo. We will now act. And thank you for your participation. It has been a wonderful week, and it will be remembered in the movement as a peak in the reflection of the Montessori movement. Thank you, and see you in 4 years somewhere around the world, in a place that it will be difficult to do better than here. But, you know, trust the children. Thank you.
Just to say that complex tasks require intricate planning. And having gone through the program, I'm sure you would all appreciate the complexity in organizing an event of this kind. We did have a presentation acknowledging the support that we received from various people at the presentation on the first day. But as we sat back and reflected every night, yes, we still had the energy to do that in the past few days, we realized that the list of key people to thank kept growing with every discussion. We would like to thank Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, or SSA, and the Corporation of Chennai for allowing our delegates to visit the ABL classrooms as a part of the school visits. Mr. M.P. Vijay Kumar, the former State Project Director, SSA, for his time, support, and personal interest. The Education Officer of the Corporation of Chennai. The 5 ABL schools which welcome the delegates for observation. Sudha and her team at Learning Tree for extending their wholehearted support in publicizing the Congress to various schools here in Chennai. What you have witnessed here as delegates over the last 3.5 days are just the visible aspects of the Congress. I'm going to pass you over to Ruku, who's a better storyteller than I am, to tell you just a few stories about the leaf plates and the cooler cups that we were drinking your coffee out of for breakfast. I didn't pronounce that properly, did I? I'm sorry.
Abbreviated version. Just to show you all the leaf plates that we have been eating on for the last few days. It seems that in Maria Montessori's cosmic vision, Biber reminded us that the work of these unseen hands connect people together. The leaf plates, when we were talking about sadhana, it seemed so right that we should eat on these plates. These leaf plates are produced at Vidyasagar, an organization which is made by children with severe disabilities. And these young adults who have come to independence and to a wonderful working life, they produce these plates, and we felt that it was very important to eat on these plates because first of all, these leaf plates are not only environmentally friendly, but not one leaf has been plucked to make these plates. These plates are made from fallen leaves. And these leaves are brought down from the Nilgiris mountains, driven by lorry drivers who bring them, and the leaves are cleaned and stitched by the children. And the children worked through Christmas holidays and woke up and went because they had so much work to do because they had to get plates to the Congress. So we would like to thank the children of Vidyasagar and the children of all their teams for making the 6,000 plates which we've just now run out of. So this is a funnier story. The kullad cups that we drank our tea and coffee in the mornings, for those of you who were here with us for breakfast, these traveled a very long way too. They were made by potters in Delhi, craftspeople, who made them specially for the Congress to bring, to remind us that I think that pottery is something that links us all over the world, in every culture, in every way. We are connected because all of us cook, and we made pots, many, and we've done it for a very long time. And in the Indian Railways, for a very long time, used these cups, which were disposable in one way and still so affectionately made, each one, single one, by hand. And it was a very special thing for us in Sadhana to bring that to your awareness, because in these everyday unremembered acts, we do actually have to be grateful for all these people who have made it possible for us to be here. Thank you.
So, we still have not thanked everyone who has played a part in making this the event that it was. For everything visible, there are many things invisible. And there have been many, many unseen hands that have worked on the invisible, which have made the visible possible. And I would like to thank everyone, the ones we've missed, but we haven't forgotten. Thank you very much. But I, on a personal level, would like to thank all the children who have run all my errands for me, otherwise I would not be standing up here tonight. Thank you very much. Now, it is my pleasure to invite Leela Sampson, Director of Kalachitra and a member of the Congress Committee, to propose the vote of thanks and introduce the Kalachitra Variety Program.
This is the best part. I agree with Govind that there's a tinge of sadness that all of you will not be with us in this beautiful campus, but you brought in with it your thoughts, your ideas, your smiles, and your presence, which Kalakshetra values, along with all the craftsmen who have come to us from all parts of India to share with us their wonderful crafts. They are staying with us till the 14th, so if you all have families who wish to come, from tomorrow it's open house for the Crafts Bazaar. We also have the inauguration of our arts exhibition on the 10th evening at 5 o'clock. Those of you who are local, I'd like to invite you to be part of that function. But to thank you all, each and every one of you, for being here with us and for sharing in what was a very special experience for all of us. We're now moving on to the variety program, and while they remove the podium and things like that, I'd like to introduce the musicians to you. pieces. This first one, which is an excerpt from a drama called Andal. It's a story of, it's from a drama called Andal Charitram, choreographed by my guru, Srimati Rukmini Devi. Andal was a poet saint of Tamil Nadu who was a devotee of Lord Shiva, the preserver. She was a young girl who had such simple devotion that it informed every aspect of her daily life. This was a special request from Ruku, who's known this drama since she was a child, to present this before you today. Normally we don't do an excerpt from a dance drama, but here you have before you Andal Charitram, which is the first piece. The musicians this evening are Jolsna Menon, one of our teachers on the Natvangam, Jyotish Mati on the vocal, she was singing for us. On the Mridangam, Shri Anil Kumar. On the flute, we have Shri T.R. Murthy. And on the veena, we have Kuruchi Balaji.
महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमाघा பொய்தலிற்குரியன பொருள்கள் பூந்தளிர் கை தழைத்திட புடை கண்ணல பாங்கியர் மேதன குறையுளாம் சித்தன் முன் செய்தவ திருமணி பெருவில் சேர்ந்தனர் தத்தரிக்கிட தித்தரிக்கிட தத்தித்தளாங்கு தரிக்கிட தோம் தத்தித்தரிக்கிட தோம் தகதித்தரிக்கிட தத்தரிக்கிட தித்தரிக்கிட தத்தித்தளாங்கு தரிக்கிட தோம் தத்தித்தரித்தள ஜொழுதிமி கரிங்கிண தொண்டே மருகு மலர் போதை வந்தாள் வந்தாள் திருப்பாவை பாடினாள் வந்தாள் வந்தாள் தேமருகு மலர் போதை வந்தாள் வந்தாள் சானி தனி பத நீ சரி நீ சரி ராம பதாமரி தாரி நீ சரி மக தரும மரியா குறும்பனை கண்கை சார்ந்தம் அதுவே உருவட்டம் அழகிய ஒரு தமிழிகை கண்டேன் உருவு கரிதாய் முகம் செய்தாய் உதய பருப்பதத்தின் மேல் விரியும் கதிரே போல்வானை பிருந்தாவனத்தே கண்டோமே உருவு கரிதாய் முகம் செய்தாய் உதய பருப்பதத்தின் மேல் விரியும் கதிரே போல்வானை பிருந்தாவனத்தே கண்டோமே பாப்ப மகரி கம பாமகரி கம மகரி சரி நீ தனி சரி மக வெளிய சங்கொன்றுடையானை பீதகாடை உடையானை அழினங்குடைய திருமாலை ஆழியானை கழுதீரே வெளிய சங்கொன்றுடையானை பீதகாடை உடையானை அழினங்குடைய திருமாலை ஆழியானை கண்டீரே களிவண்டெங்கும் கலந்தார் போல் கமல் பூங்குழல்கள் தடந்தோள் மேல் மிளிர நின்று விளையாட விருந்தாவனத்தே கண்டோமே களிவண்டெங்கும் கலந்தார் போல் கமல் பூங்குழல்கள் தடந்தோள் மேல் மிளிர நின்று விளையாட விருந்தாவனத்தே கண்டோமே கனி சரி கனி சரி கரி க ம பத ம ப கரி க ம கரி நீ சரி க ம க களிவண்டெங்கும் கலந்தார் போல கமல் பூங்குழல்கள் தடந்தோள் மேல் மிளிர நின்று விளையாட விருந்தாவனத்தே கண்டோமே களிவண்டெங்கும் கலந்தார் போல் கமல் பூங்குழல்கள் தடந்தோள் மேல் மிளிர நின்று விளையாட விருந்தாவனத்தே கண்டோமே விருந்தாவனத்தே கண்டோமே
We now present Ananda Nadamidum Badan, a very beautiful kirtanam which describes the cosmic dance of Lord Nataraja at Chidambaram.
ஆனந்த நடமிடும் பாதம் ஆனந்த நடமிடும் பாதம் ஆனந்த நடமிடும் பாதம் Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have an official photographer here, and you will be able to tap into those photographs. So please put away your cameras and mobiles and enjoy the concert. Our next composition is a folk dance from Tamil Nadu. The gypsy girls of a mountainous area speak about the joys of living in the mountain.
சொல்லறிய சாமி மலை மாமே மலையம்மே தோழி மலை நாஞ்சு நட்டு வேள்வி மலையம்மே சொல்லறிய சாமி மலை மாமே மலையம்மே தோழி மலை நாஞ்சு நட்டு வேள்வி மலையம்மே தோழி மலை நாஞ்சி நட்டு வேள்வி மலையம்மே கொல்லி மலையன கிளைய செல்லி மலையம்மே கொல்லி மலையன கிளைய செல்லி மலையம்மே கொழுனனுக்கு காணி மலை பழனி மலையம்மே கொழுனனுக்கு காணி மலை பழனி மலையம்மே பாடும் அரவேணும் மணி ஓடி வெயில் எரிக்கும் அம்மே பாடும் அரவேணும் மணி ஓடி வெயில் எரிக்கும் அம்மே அம்போலியை கவளம் என்று கும்பி வழி மறிக்கும் அம்போலியை
From South India to Madhya Pradesh, Central India, we now present Karam. Karam is a dance performed by the Adivasi women of Madhya Pradesh, the oldest tribe living in India today.
करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आया मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आया करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आया मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे आषाढ़ सावन छाय होले राजा कुमारी मागिना करम का सावन बादल छाय होले राजा कुमारी मागिना करम का आषाढ़ सावन छाय होले राजा कुमारी मागिना करम का सावन बादल छाय होले राजा कुमारी मागिना करम का करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे छोटे मोटे जिनरू भाई के छोटे छोर छोटे मोटे जिनरू भाई के छोटे छोर चोर ना लगे भरी चल छुपे छोला रे ओए लिख रे चोर ना लगे भरी चल छुपे छोला रे ओए लिख रे करम करम का होले राजा कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे मेरे कराम का दिन कैसे आवे हाय रे कोई किंदा का लोत रंबाने परिंदा किंदा का लोत रे रंबाने parinda kinda ka. Hai re koi kinda ka, lot kinda ka, lot rangale parinda kinda ka. Lot re rangale parinda kinda ka. Hai re koi kinda ka, lot kinda ka, lot rangale parinda kinda ka. Lot re rangale parinda kinda ka. Hai re koi kinda ka, lot kinda ka, lot rangale parinda kinda ka. Lot re rangale parinda kinda ka. Hai re koi kinda ka, lot kinda ka, lot rangale parinda kinda ka. Lot re rangale parinda kinda ka. Hai re koi kinda ka, lot kinda ka, lot rangale parinda kinda ka. Lot re rangale parinda kinda ka. करम करम का बोले राजा करम का दिन के तेरा तेरे करम का दिन के तेरा तेरे करम का दिन कैसे आवे श्री राम बन गए बौरा श्री राम बन गए बौरा बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण लगा गए हनुमान श्री लंका गए हनुमान श्री राम बन गए बौरा श्री राम बन गए बौरा बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण लगा गए हनुमान श्री लंका गए हनुमान श्री राम बन गए बौरा श्री राम बन गए बौरा बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण लगा गए हनुमान श्री लंका गए हनुमान श्री राम बन गए बौरा श्री राम बन गए बौरा बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण लगा गए हनुमान श्री लंका गए हनुमान श्री राम बन गए बौरा श्री राम बन गए बौरा बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण लगा गए हनुमान श्री लंका गए हनुमान श्री राम बन गए बौरा श्री राम बन गए बौरा बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण बन गए राम बन गए लक्ष्मण लगा गए हनुमान श्री लंका गए हनुमान श्री राम बन गए बौरा श्री राम बन गए बौरा राम बन गए बौरा श्री राम बन गए
From the folk to the classical, we now present a Tilana, one of the most vibrant compositions for the Bharatanatyam dancer, complex in rhythmic patterns and permutations of the mridang and footwork that is in the fast speed. This Tilana is usually done at the end of a classical recital. Tilana.
Tani tani tum dani tum tum dani tum tum dani tum tanana tarani tanana tani tani dani tum tum dani tum tum dani tum tanana tarani
tom dre da ni tom ta ra ra ta ra re ta na 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 dre dre da ni tom dre da ni tom tom na dre da ni tom dre da ni tom ta ra na ta ra re ta na 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 dre dre da ni tom dre da ni tom tom na dre da ni tom dre da ni tom ta ra na ta ra re ta na 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 dre dre da ni tom dre da ni tom tom na ಬಲನುಡೆ ಪೊಗಡಿ ಪೊಗಡಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸದಾ ಭಜನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಮೈ ಮರಚಿತೇನೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಾಂಚೀಪುರಿ ದರೆಯು ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕಟಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕರುಣ ಜೋಡವಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಾಂಚೀಪುರಿ ದರೆಯು ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕಟಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕರುಣ ಜೋಡವಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಚಿ ಕುಟಕಿಟ ಕಾಮ ತನಿಸದ ಕಣ ಕಜಂ ಕರೋ ನಿನಿಸ ತನಿದ ಮಾತ ಕುಂದರಿ ತನದಾನಿ ಕುಂದರಾನಿ ತೊಂಕನು ತನು 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 ದೀಂ ಕಕಿಟ ತಾತ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ಕಕಿಟ ತಾತ ಮದನಿ ಗಮದನಿ ಸದ ಮಾಮದ ಮದ ಮಗ ಮಾಮ ನಿದ ಮದಾದ ನಿದ ಸನಿ ಗದ ಮದ ನಿದ ನಿದ ಕಿಡದಗ ತನಿ ಕಿಡ ತೋಂ ತಕ್ಕದೇಸಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತನಿ ಕಿಡ ತೋಂ ತಕ್ಕದಿ ಪೂಜೇಸಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತನಿ ಕಿಡ ತೋಂದೆ
We end the program this evening with a Ras from Gujarat. The Ras is a dance of celebration and has its origins in the Puranas, where Krishna and the gopis dance together. The Ras is extremely enjoyable and usually is participatory. I think we'll leave it to them. Thank you.
बलुनी रसिया रस जोगस राधे हीन रस गावे गावे बलुनी रसिया रस जोगस राधे हीन रस गावे गावे बलुनी रसिया रस जोगस राधे हीन रस गावे गावे बलुनी रसिया रस जोगस राधे हीन रस गावे गावे बलुनी रसिया रस जोगस राधे हीन रस गावे गावे बलुनी रसिया रस जोगस राधे 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 कानून राज रचाओगे आजा राज रचाओगे आजा कानून राज रचाओगे आजा राज रचाओगे आजा ದಿನವೇ ಶುಭ ದಿನವೋ ಇಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಶುಭವಾರ ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನವೇ ಶುಭ ದಿನವೋ ಇಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಶುಭವಾರ ಇಂದಿನ ಯೋಗ ಶುಭ ಯೋಗ ದಿನಗಳಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ನಡಿಗೆ ಇಂದು ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ